Guys, this morning I was about to take a drive to McDonald's to send in my job application. Now, I can't cook, so I'd probably be working as a janitor, but instead of doing that, I decided I was going to provide the cryptocurrency support group for the day. We're going to make a video, and this video is going to be covering so much stuff that I want you guys to talk about and why through all of this, we got a smile on our face. So for everybody who's in the crypto markets, I know things are looking a little grim. Hopefully you were able to take profits along the top, along the way. Taking profits is always smart, but even if you weren't, it's going to be okay. It's going to be okay. Trust me, when I woke up this morning and I saw a $30,000 Bitcoin, I thought my eyes were trolling. I usually have an alarm set for if anything crazy happens in the market. Last night, I was like, I don't need one, right? How bad could things get? We'd already started to drop a little bit. I was like, how bad could things really get? Never test the crypto gods. Things can get pretty bad pretty fast. So we went to a low of $28,000. We already are having the bounce to $36,675. We are hopefully seeing what is going to be a V-shaped bounce, which is going to be very pretty for the market. Guys, there's so much we need to cover. But first, I want to say I lost the bet. I lost the bet big time. So we're going to be giving away $100 to somebody, and I'm going to be doing it on Twitter because I've seen Twitter work a lot better for people when it comes to doing giveaways, interaction. Everything just works a lot faster than the spam that we get in the comments of the YouTube section, specifically for crypto videos. So head on over, link down below to my Twitter, give it a follow. There's no tweet up now. Obviously, by the time you see this video, there will be a tweet up that is going to be for the giveaway. All you guys are going to have to do to enter is make sure you're following on Twitter, leave a comment down below. I'll tell you guys what to comment, and you're going to be entered to win $100 in crypto. We might even do another one of those. At this point, $100 going to be worth $300 hopefully in a few months. It's a win-win either way. You guys might as well participate. But let's start off with the market. First of all, here you go. I'm going to show you guys. Little bit of a V-shaped recovery coming in, right? This is going to be crucial. How we react when it comes to the EMA ribbons, the supports, all that stuff. Technicals at this point have gone a little bit out the window because anytime we're at here, we're expecting to see a little bit of a bounce to retest the EMA ribbon. We're so far away from it before we have that pull down. That didn't happen. Instead, we decided let's have a candle that goes from 43K to 28K in one day without Elon Musk tweeting anything. Elon Musk was silent, so we can't even blame this guy at this point. If anything, he's back on our team. He's Diamond Hand team now. Right? So I think he probably watched our video. Of course, he watches the channel all the time. He probably watched the video and he was like, hey, Patrick's on to me. He's seeing what I'm doing. He's seeing the master plan. If you guys haven't seen that, check out the last video. He's seeing the master plan. And so now we have to have diamond hands. Tesla's got diamond hands, boys. They're back on the team. He also tweeted credit to our master of coin. I don't really know what that means. Is it Bitcoin? Is it Doge? I don't know what he's talking about. Some fantastic memes. If you guys have been around 2017, this kind of looks like the bear market we had, the bull market, then the bear market. We had a few pumps in there. Relatable. Elon's back on our side. Can we ask for more? Hopefully, this is the pump we need. We don't want Elon to manipulate the market, but if he is going to manipulate it, hopefully it's to the upside. That's all I can say. I'm sure most of you guys agree. Now, the RSI, we are also at very, very lows. We're at 22.9 right now. If we zoom out, last time we were around these regions were some pretty good opportunities to buy. We have this one dump to the downside, which was the lowest we got to in the bear market. I remember this day like it was yesterday. I was sat having dinner. I went to the bathroom. I was like, let's check my phone. What's going on? Check it. We're down multiple double-digit percentages. It was not pretty. But that happened. And then we also have these two over here, both other drops that came in, followed by pumps. Of course, these look really small compared to what we've had recently. But keep in mind, the size of the dump, pumps and dumps, when we have this many people in, this much more money in, they're going to be bigger. So congratulations on surviving, hopefully you survived at this point, surviving the biggest dump in bull run history. We are used to seeing dumps at around 30%. We see those often. We just had the first 56% dump of the bull market. Are we out of the bull market? Are we in a bear market? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. I'm genuinely curious to see. My thoughts are this looks pretty to me. One thing I have to say right now, this sums it up right here. Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars. That's all I got to say right now. Because to me, this type of dump, if you sold at any point during this, I don't think a lot of people could because the exchanges were down. If you sold during this, I feel for you. I feel for you. Taking profits is done in these stages. Taking profits is done, you know, here. When we're having these crazy runs, that's when we start to take the profits and we start to exit out for the dumps to buy back in. We have the crazy pumps. We start to dollar cost average here, right? Then we have the dumps and we can buy back in. These are the times to be dollar cost averaging for situations like this. This is not when you dollar cost average, right? This is when you capitulate, you give up, you go home, you lose out in the market, and then you miss the next wave that I still believe is going to come. You guys know I don't really I don't BS. I don't sit here and tell you guys it's bullish when it's bearish. To me, Bitcoin was looking extremely painful with the Elon Musk and everything tweeting. This was painful. It was slow. It was, you know, we had a drop. Then we had a few days of, oh, are we going to recover? We're not going to recover? Drop. Oh, we have a few days. We're going to recover? We're going to recover? Drop. Are we going to recover? We're going to recover? Drop. I mean, these days were painful. I would much rather rip the Band-Aid off, take us to 28K, bounce up from it, take me back to the bull market, take me back to where the diamond hands win, and everybody who was in here in the short term just trying to follow, didn't know what they were doing, was just trying to make a quick buck. All those people are out of the market. Everybody that's left are the ones who are here to are the ones here to make real money. You guys know what I'm talking about. We're here to make real money. I don't care about making 20%, right? We're not here to make 20% and exit the market. We're here for a lot more than 20%. Now, let's look at the market in general. What exactly is going on? We're at the 1.69 trillion. Let's refresh this. $1.66 trillion market cap. We were over 2 yesterday. I think it was yesterday. We dropped to like 1. Now we're back at 1.6. We're seeing a little bit of a recovery. I will say, though, if you take a look here, this is why it's important to be in good altcoins. This is why, thank God, Cardano was here to save the portfolio recently. Because if we look, we're down 19% in the last 24 hours at 1.62. You know, we were at around $1 at the low, and we were at, you know, 2.1, I think, not too long ago. No, not metal. We're looking at Cardano. And so it's down 20% on the day. Fair enough. But in the week, Cardano's only down 5% because of how well it's been performing. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is down 33% on the week. Ethereum's down 35% of the week. BNB is down 42%. XRP, another one that we've been looking at for a while and we've been talking about in the last video, we talked about Cardano and XRP, is only down 15% on the week, down 24% of the day. But the week's been good. So Doge also 17%. That's not bad at all compared to some of these other cryptocurrencies. Thankfully, again, hopefully you guys were able to be in the right cryptos, be in good cryptocurrencies. That way, when we see stuff like this happen, we see these drops happen, it doesn't hurt. It hurts, but it doesn't hurt as much as it probably would have hurt if I was just sat in Bitcoin the whole time and then just watching it drop 33%. Way more if we take a look at the bottom. Now, again, it went to 28. It's at 36. Be in good cryptos. Be in good cryptos. Cardano XRP has been killing it and has been saving the looks of my portfolio over the last few weeks, over the last couple of weeks. But if you're not taking the opportunity here to find the cryptos you want, to buy them, you should have already done it. By the time I get this video out, we're already having the V-shaped bounce. I can't record videos and upload them fast enough for this market. I'm going to have to start doing live streams. I might just, we'll see what happens with live streams. We'll see if that happens. But look at $1 for Cardano, $1. You're at like $1.62 already. That's incredible. Again, a lot of exchanges were down. A lot of people weren't able to buy, but you guys see what I'm talking about. This is the time where everybody's fearful. This is the time when the market's, oh no, panic. Oh, everybody capitulate. Everybody sell your Bitcoin at $30,000. The logic of people, most people lose in the market. This is why. Most people lose. Institutional money does not lose. Institutional money will not lose. They won't lose. They don't lose in the stock market. They don't lose in the crypto market. They don't lose. These guys also don't buy Bitcoin at current market prices. When Bitcoin was at $64,000, we heard the rumors, we heard people talk from firsthand experience that the OTC market was drying up. There weren't people buying at the $60,000 price. There was no volume of people buying. We needed the volume to come in, the movement to happen in the market, the excitement again, the volatility. Even though it sucks as the downside, when it goes to the upside, we'll all be thankful when it's a 30% move to the upside. People, institutions were not buying at 64,000. This, to me, at this point, if you look at if you look at what actually was happening at the 64,000, like I said, people buying, how much volume there was of people wanting to buy. Also, if you look at that and you just take that for what it is, people, instead, the big money was not buying. We were not going to go to 100K from 64K. It just wasn't going to happen. So if we are going to go to 100K, we needed something like this. Maybe not. I mean, no one predicted it would be this big, but we needed something like this to get that volume moving, to get the excitement, get people talking about it again, get people buying the dips, get the right people buying the dips, not just the hype boys, the Tesla fanboys, not those guys buying the dips, the right people buying the dips, the institutional money then coming in. Like I said, they don't lose. We see Elon tweeting positive for crypto again. Right? Diamond hands. Elon Musk might be on our side again. Maybe. Tell you what, Elon, if you're watching this, if you pump Bitcoin to 100K, I'll delete the video. I'll let bygones be bygones. We'll be friends again. I love the guy in terms of business, genius. But we'll be crypto friends again. 100K, 90K, 85K. Screw it. 85K, we'll be friends again. 64K, and we'll be friends again. All-time high, $1 more than the all-time high. We're friends again, Elon Musk. That's the deal that we have. But guys, if you guys haven't already, check out the trading group we have. We posted a bunch of trades there. We've been killing it in this market, red market, green market. We've been absolutely destroying it with the trade. So make sure you guys check out the first link down below. You'll see every altcoin trade, every leverage trade. You'll get access to the #1 group in the space. But most importantly, it is free for 14 days. So you're not going to be charged a thing. You can test out everything. We're not going to hide anything from you. You guys can see everything we have to offer. If it doesn't work for you, all you have to do is cancel. You'll avoid getting charged. If it doesn't work for you, you don't like it, whatever it is at $69 a month right now. Yes, I did do that because I'm very immature, but the price is probably going up because there's a lot more we want to be adding there in terms of daily TA, updates on the market, everything going on. I want this to be a one-stop shop for everybody to be updated with everything going on in the market. So in order to do that, we're going to probably have to bump the price up. So if you don't want to miss out, it's a 14-day free trial. Check it out. Sign up. We'll see you in there. Guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. A little bit more of an upbeat video because there's not much to say when the market's doing right now other than I'm here. I'm not leaving. But I can't swear because of YouTube will demonetize it. It's not going to show it to people. But put in the Jordan Belfort Wolf of Wall Street clip. I'm not leaving. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Have you capitulated? Have you left? Let me know. And also, Twitter, the giveaway, going to be done on there. Guys, I'll see you over there. We're going to start using Twitter more to just interact, engage, have fun, troll, all that good stuff. Make sure you guys check that out. I'll see you guys in the next one.